I had joined IIT Madras in 1980 as the last 5-year BTech batch at IIT. I have been talking about what has changed over this 40 years in terms of how one gets into IIT by qualifying through JEE. I had mentioned that a lot of things have changed. However, the basics in what the student needs to do in order to qualify has not changed much. First and foremost, JEE does not test your memory. So, solving problems is not the solution to get into JEE. Let me give an analogy. You have often heard that cricketers who play for India often do very well in India, however, they do not do so well in certain overseas conditions. The best of the people prepare themselves in a manner that, depending on whatever is the circumstance, they have developed the ability to successfully negotiate the challenges. IIT JEE preparation is something like that. Your conceptual clarity has to be such that you can tackle any problem that is appearing for you in the exam. What else? Practice, practice, and more practice. It is a variety of sums, variety of problems, variety of situations that you can tackle is going to be important. However, I again quote from cricket, Sachin Tendulkar's coach used to always say that net practice is not the substitute for match practice. So when we practice, we need to simulate the condition of an exam. The idea is to perform under the time constraint, under the pressure of performing well. Therefore, when you are choosing your coaching classes, you must look at those classes where you are an individual and not one more person in the batch. It is very important that the tutors who are teaching you focus on the conceptual clarity of your subject knowledge and their application to solve problems rather than just practice and help you solve problems by identifying patterns. That takes you some far, but it does not take you all the way. Therefore, it is something which has not changed, and I don't think it will ever change till the time IIT exists and depends on JEE to identify the talent who qualify for this prestigious institute. Anybody and everybody can get into IIT. It's the way you prepare, it's the way you are guided, and it's the way you perform on the day when it matters. Thank you. All the best.